Hiya, bit of help needed. I've got a Hantrex Polo 25-inch screen with a PC inside on MAME. Always worked perfect, screen was spot on. All of a sudden, the screen started going, not the whole screen going blue, but like the graphics on the screen started having like a blue tinge to them, a blue background, blue tinge. Then all of a sudden one day, the monitor turned itself off, and since then, all it does, I've got no net glow at all. Let's check the neck. There's no net glow, I don't think. There's no bit. Is there a bit of net glow?
Not this time.
Is that net glow? Let's have a look.
Game over. Stop 3
I've
to
got a
win
bit
a
of net
small
glow.
prize. Stop 5 to win a grand prize.
Possibly a bit of net glow. But basically, this sound
Not this
is coming from this over here somewhere. It's just like a psst, psst noise. So, if you could help me, I'm tempted to go and get a cap kit and do the caps on it. But what am I wasting my time? You tell me. Is it worth doing the cap kit first, and then obviously if it's not working, or is that noise something else, something to do with this flyback or whatever it's called over here?
Not this time. Game over.
It should be that noise or not. It's like something's trying to start up. I've not turned the actual game on. Just got power to the monitor and it's doing that straight away.
Stop 3 to win a small
So,
prize. Stop 5 to win a grand prize.
yeah, if any help please guys, I'd like to know what I need to do to fix it. Cheers, thank you, bye.